Come back here. Come join me underneath these blankets. Just like this. You're so warm. I always get super cold when I get up, like even just a short trip to the bathroom, and I come back with cold feet and cold hands. That's why it's your job to keep me warm. I think it's almost time. I'm not sure. I'll keep an eye on the clock, but I'm just really glad that we stayed in tonight. I know everyone else is probably out there somewhere in crowded rooms and loud music and this cold weather outside, plastic cups or fancy champagne glasses, and maybe countdowns you can barely hear. So, no, tonight has been very lovely. I really enjoyed cooking dinner together with you. Like, we actually cooked. I know we ordered takeout a lot, but tonight just felt so comfy. Like, just no rush, no stress, not making a big deal out of this. Just you and me together at home, just enjoying each other's company. And it turned out really good. Like, everything tonight. Like, really good. I think tonight must have been my favorite dinner we've ever had. Don't you think? Right? It was so good. So good. You did a really good job on the dessert. You really did. You deserve so many kisses for that. You did amazing. But I don't know, there's just something about making food together that just feels right. And comfy and like home. Like standing side by side, even in the small kitchen. Bumping our hips into each other and tasting things of the spoon. Just having fun, even when things almost burn down, but that's okay. Worst case scenario, we've got the smoke detector, it's fine. It just already feels like one of those memories I know I'll keep forever, and every time I think about it, I just smile and my heart just fills up with love and warmth and happiness. And look at us. Look at how fancy we are. Now we here sharing this bottle of wine. Wait, wine? Champagne, not wine. That's what we had last weekend, but sharing this bottle of champagne, which, can we talk about how this is technically the cheapest bottle of champagne that we could find? And somehow it tastes better than all those overly fancy schmancy champagnes we've had at those company events and restaurants. They tasted like, I don't know, they tasted like obligation. They tasted like money, and money doesn't taste good. Have you ever bitten on a coin? I don't know. We could be getting this one more often. I wouldn't mind. Yeah, this one really, really wins. And honestly, like this and tonight, feels so us. And it's been a while since we just said, I don't know, for any big events or birthdays or holidays, that we just stayed at home and just spent it with each other. And there's absolutely no pressure and no performance, and I don't know, not pretending to be, I don't know, not that we're pretending to be other people, but putting on a show for people, I guess. But it's just us being close and being with each other and enjoying what we made. Enjoying each other. I want you to know that I absolutely love and treasure moments like these. They don't look flashy from the outside, but they mean the absolute world to me. I love you. Hey, just look at me for a second. Yeah. You're so goddamn adorable. You know, I just keep thinking about next year. And I don't know, all the little things that we haven't done yet. All the nights we haven't spent with each other yet. All the dinners we didn't cook yet. All the lazy nights and comfy nights we're gonna stay in, and all the silly inside jokes that don't exist yet, but I know that there will be so many of them. And I just can't wait to curate and make so many more memories with you. Like the real ones, right? They don't always have to be good, including the bad ones too. And I'm so incredibly glad that we have each other, even for those bad memories. We've got one another, and I am just so grateful for that, even when it gets messy. As long as it's with you, I'm excited for all of it. Oh, I'm looking at the clock. It's almost time. Come here. Just stay with me. Don't pull away. I love staring at you like this. But listen, no matter what next year might bring, I want you to know that I'm here with you for all of it, okay? And I want us to face everything together. And I love you so, so, so incredibly much. You mean everything to me. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, love. Let's make it a beautiful one. Together. kissing you while all of these firework noises are in the background outside. It's kind of funny. Well, it's just kind of what's happening in my mind when my lips touch yours. Too cheesy? Oh, shut up.